Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Like really? No comment. I have to talk about it during this intro. I'm not gonna keep that for myself. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Boys Season 4, Episode 1. Guys, we're back with The Boys. That's so great, that's so cool. I'm so excited to discover this new season with you guys. Today I'm gonna watch the 3 first episodes. I love so much Amazon for doing that, you know, for releasing new seasons and also new shows with 3 episodes for the first drop and then 1 episode at a time. I think that it's a perfect way for platforms to do things because they are creating, you know, like first they are building really a community of fans by doing that because they are letting the fans time to discover the new season, to discover the new show and to be sure is it gonna be for me or not. Then they are creating, you know, an impatience, like fans, they want the new episode and all. And we have less the impression that suddenly we have 8 episodes that we are binge watching in 2 days and then we have to wait 2 years. No, like we have weeks that we are spending with the show, we can talk about it, we can exchange theories and thoughts about it. It's so great. So really for me, Amazon Prime, with their way of releasing each new show, each new season, they found the perfect way to do it. I'm glad to be back with The Boys, but to be fully honest, you saw it, I was losing before beginning to talk with you guys. I was reading, you know, the news on my phone and really since Sunday and since the European elections, France is a mess. France is a circus. France is a joke. Let's say it like each half of the day, like really each half of the day since Sunday, you have a new big thing which is happening in France, you know, with the political environment, all of the political guys, like, I don't know how to say it, system. Each half of the day, you have a big thing, you have a weird thing, you have a mercato, you have really things happening like that, and each time that, you know, it's happening, me, I'm like, what the fuck? And really I just to laugh about it because at some point it's better to laugh about it and to not take it too seriously because really for my mental health it's better and I think that it's also my nerves which are like that because it's just the beginning. Like the next elections that we're gonna have, you know, for the deputies because hey, dissolution of the assembly, it's gonna be at the end of the month. We have to stay, you know, like to survive until the end of the month. Like if I'm beginning to be impacted by what is happening right now with only 3 days, how am I gonna be at the end of the month? So really I just to laugh about it. And I don't know if you followed it, but the beginning of this week in France, it was so fun, you know, like it's so stupid that it's beginning to be fun. Like we had the president of a party who said that he would go with the far right with all of his party, but his party said, no, we never said that, so no, we are not okay with it, and you're excluded from the party. And the guy said, no, I'm the president, you can't exclude me. So he locked himself into the party physically, you know, he locked himself into the party. And during entire hours, you had all of the political person of that party at the door, you know, being like, we're gonna enter. No one has the keys. And oh, and suddenly a little lady came, I have a dabber. Oh no. Like really, I prefer to laugh about it. That's so fun, you know, in a way, like in a stupid way. So really, to be into that mood, I think that it's great for The Boys because The Boys is really playing with being absurd in the sense that they are really pushing the limits of that universe in a universe with heroes, how it would be. And really with the season 1, we saw that it would be bad. And that's why I love The Boys, because normally I hate shows and stuff, you know, with superheroes, but I love The Boys because they chose to say that in our universe, if we would have superheroes, for sure it would turn around. Because for sure people with money would take advantage of it. For sure we would have people with responsibilities and stuff like that using that for themselves. For sure superheroes would feel like they are the kings of the world. So for sure things would turn around. And that was the season 1. After that, all of the evolution of the season 2 and the season 3, it was more about the evolution of the characters. And we are turning, you know, all of the story into something so extreme, with Homelander going so crazy and really being like, I'm gonna be the next king of the world. And as the dictator, the fascist dictator that is gonna be, and with all of these ideas, which are really extreme, but if you are putting his ideas into people right now, into our world, you can see similarities, you know, like. So that's why I'm like, watching, you know, this new season of The Boys right now, in fact, it's perfect for me, and even more if I'm into that mood. Like, I'm gonna be entertained, I'm gonna lose, and I'm really gonna be like, it's so stupid, it's all so stupid, what is happening right now into my country? Like, really? I don't know. And no matter what, you know, The Boys is playing with that, is playing with things like, it could happen, are you sure that you're not seeing similarities with our world? Wink, wink, wink. So it's gonna be fun, I think. For really what is happening right now with all of the characters, for sure I'm interested by what Homelander is gonna do. Like how the last season ended, I'm like, like really, it's gonna be accepted, the guy is gonna be a dictator, like he's gonna have for sure people who are gonna follow him, an entire army following him, and that's really dangerous. But how is it gonna be truly with the country, you know, like the government in place, all of that, you're gonna accept that, I don't know. For sure, I'm really interested to discover what Starlight is gonna do. Like, she decided to throw away her costume, to say her name and all of that, but for me, she needs at some point to take back her costume, because if the bad side has superheroes to represent them, for sure, like you have to have superheroes also for the good side to represent them, and I think that she could represent up, in fact, for them by being a superhero, by having her costume. Like, she doesn't have to really forget about it, not put it back or anything like that. And no matter what, I think that her evolution, Starlight evolution, is in fact representing this show, is in fact representing the mood of this show. She began everything by by wanting to save people, to do things good and all, and really quick she understood that she couldn't, and you know, from super naive she became super sad and then mad, and at the end she's against them. So for me, she represents really the show, the mood of the show, the evolution of the mood of the show. Her evolution, it's the evolution of the show. So that's why I'm also so interested to discover what she's gonna be during this season. That's gonna be cool to follow her. Butcher, for sure, I want news about him and to see how he's gonna evolve. I love him, but clearly he disappointed me at multiple occasions into the past, so I'm afraid for this new season how it's gonna be. And yes, Yui, Frenchie, for sure I want to have news about them and all. But for me, really, for the evolutions of the characters, this season I want really to pay attention to the evolution of Homelander for sure, and Soldier Boy with him, Butcher and Annie. I think that these three are really the salt, you know, of this show, are really representing this show a lot. All of the others are great, I love them, but for really the symbolic of the characters, what they represent into the show, these three are really the most important one, in fact, at the end. we'll see how it's gonna be. I'm gonna see that right now. Again, I think that it's the perfect moment for me to watch The Boys. That's gonna be so cool. Remember that if you want, you have my Patreon on which you can have these episodes earlier. For the next episodes, you know, the next drop, it's gonna be each time you're gonna have my reactions and my thoughts about each new episode of The Boys on Friday on my Patreon and on the next Monday on YouTube, because I'm gonna have to deal, you know, maybe with copyright issues and stuff like that, so I have to make you wait that long. But you know, if you truly want my reactions and my thoughts on Friday, you can subscribe to my Patreon. I'm gonna put longer reaction part on my Patreon, like always, because it's big episodes. I think that it's gonna be only extended one, meaning that you just have to subscribe to the level 2, only €5, and you're gonna have access to all of my videos of The Boys posted, you know, during the month. And it's the best way to support me if you want and if you can. So on my Patreon, you're gonna have the reaction videos for The Boys on Friday with a longer reaction part because it's big episodes. With full opacity also. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be forced to play with opacity or not. And yes, it's the best way to support me, to encourage me to continue my videos and all. Let's go for this episode. Let's go back with The Boys. Let's go back. Ah! I forgot. Naked people, a lot of naked people. I'm gonna have to blurry stuff. What did I say in intro? You know, like really the context in France, the elections, all of that. I'm sorry.
Thank you and God bless America!
My baby. Hello you.
She says you've been working too hard.
She's taking care of you. And never deny cheese stuff. Like, yes, I'm French, shut up.
Guys, one more second. Sorry, there's like a million connectors in here and I can't. You helping? You just showing off?
Oh, for sure, Buzz.
Honey.
Butcher, you copy?
Butcher.
Where the fuck is Butcher?
Having fun?
Oh, don't you fucking start. I'm fine. Chalk is in. Who were you talking to? I ain't said a word.
He was talking to who? I didn't see. You have hallucinations? Fuck you. Butcher! He's such a psychopath. I love him for that.
There's a lot of people in it.
For sure he's awful, I hate him, but as a character he's so good.
Look, the point is, you have nothing to be nervous about. Come on, we talked about this. They're only humans.
Toys for our amusement.
That's right. We got this. Homelander's in the building. If you see him,
You should not have said that
engage with Homeland.
on the mic, like...
What the fuck are you doing here?
I've supported every new administration for the past 16 years.
And I don't want your support. You're on trial for fucking murder, huh?
Ah! Consequences! I'm glad!
It's gonna be business as usual. And bond.
Any transaction you want to make.
His eyes each time...
Ancient history.
Let's make some new history. Ladies and gentlemen, Victoria Newman. Let's give her a round. Here's a minute, would you, love? Listen, boy, I've got a lot to say. I've got a lorry out back. I can get you out of here.
What are you talking about?
He doesn't want to go
You
with
got
me.
every right to be. But you know how dangerous some lander is. He murdered some poor sod right in front of your eyes.
That guy's a pedophile.
Well, it ain't true. He's lying to you. Let me take you to grace, all right? Please, I'm begging you. It's what your mum would want. No means no.
Oh really? That was such a short conversation?
Look at that big black mass curling around your brain. What do you got, 6 months? Less.
You can see that? You're saying it in front of Ryan?
long as us. Bloody hell.
Fais chaud,
You
Yomio.
voice, don't you? That's the spirit, Jam. What we done with Tristan?
You can see them.
Why don't you wait outside? What's that? She's a fucking fool! She's a fucking fool!
She's a little girl.
Yeah, I guess I'll just, wait here.
Yes, she just killed the 2 people.
We see nothing.
Oh.
Ça va? Ça va?
Ça va pas. Kimiko?
We need an exit! Now!
Ew. C'est tiny. Little baby. Oh. That's bad, but her she can survive that when Frenchie couldn't.
Oh, shit.
You're gonna need to adjust things a little. Starlight with the group.
Vic, you shot your own daughter up with V? How could you do that to her?
I need to keep her safe.
Safe? You turned her into
But
a fucking
yes, I was
monster.
gonna say it the exact same word.
You're like family. I mean, was everything just bullshit?
You are my closest friends. I mean, hell, you're dating her, so if anyone would understand, it'd be you, right?
Hey, Vicky.
Seriously? I have to be on TV in like 10 minutes, you fucking asshole!
But just thinking on that.
I heard you out me. You out me, I killed everyone you've ever loved. The only thing that makes sense is a truce.
Never.
Or plan B.
Sounds like you guys are actually getting worse at your jobs.
I'm sorry, but she's right. You didn't think about it that really.
Billy Butcher. Joe Kessler.
Saw you in the trailer. I'm so glad that you're here now. For sure, you're gonna be friends.
It's a motive from your own fucking team. You know, Grace, she's always been a bit of a political animal. And what are you focused on? Oh, man. We're whistling our way towards a fucking apocalypse, and Grace's eye ain't on the ball. You had a clean shot at him, right? He was Soldier Boy. Was your eye on the ball? Why do I get the feeling we ain't just bumping into each other?
Yes, he knows a lot.
You dragged me out of there and dropped how many bodies to do it without giving it a second fucking thought. And yet you still didn't name your son after me, eh? We need someone like you.
Into a new team?
What's up?
Janine. She got into a fight at school. She killed a boy.
Boy.
Don't you dare be proud right now.
He was
She's
proud.
been slamming doors. She told me to eat a dick.
Janine said that?
She's been having a hard time since Todd moved out. She's worried.
What about what?
Still loves
Todd
me.
got so deep into all that weird home teamer shit. He's not answering my calls. I don't know where he is. And you're good at finding people.
You want him to find Todd? Todd, ooh.
You have to be good.
You are simply bad.
Oh! Oh!
Because deep down, this part of you is still
You're haunted by what you did and all. Homelander, do you have regrets? Second thoughts, at least?
Sir, so I'm afraid we are behind on the tower reconstruction, but I can 100% assure you that it is not my fault.
You're between sad and bored.
No relations with an octopus. It's just a racist rumor and a ridiculous lie.
Deep, please tell me the fucking octopus is gone.
She's it.
Fucking imbecile. It's just that you make a lot of really great points, sir.
No, they are just too afraid to respond to you.
Blow A train. I'm not kidding. Go over there, pull out A train's cock, and blow it.
You want to see if he truly gonna do it? You're gonna do it? At least you're thinking of it. You also? You have no dignity anymore, guys. No self-esteem, no. Je l'ai.
Sex is just a spectrum, right, bro? Fucking face. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Who's gonna do it? Alright, I'm out. Recycling bin, motherfucker.
You blew our cover with him. He almost got you killed again.
Uh-huh.
You're the only one that wants him here. You should cut him loose.
You're all thinking of it?